Today you'll be watching our Destination Cooking Challenge, where one of our frequent Miler team members will demonstrate how to prepare some kind of food from somewhere in the world. If you think this contestant should win the challenge, don't forget to like and subscribe at the end of the video.
Hi, welcome to Destination Cooking with Stephen for Frequent Miler's Staycate Far Away Challenge. So, as you can probably tell from my voice, I'm English, so I figured what could be a more English thing to cook than a full English breakfast. So, we have sausages, we have bacon, we have a fried egg, or we will have a fried egg, fried tomatoes, and then kind of a quintessential part of a full English breakfast is baked beans. I'm not going to be including black pudding just because that's kind of minging, but then I figured, well, a full English breakfast is tasty, but there's only kind of so much of a challenge to that, so why not add a little bit more of a challenge element to it? So I figured that I'd make it a British-American fusion cooking challenge. Be more American than donuts and burgers. So I will be making a full English breakfast donut burger. So I'm cooking this from a Airbnb, and there's kind of limited pans and pots and things like that, so I'll be making a few of these things one at a time. So I'm going to start off with sausages, get those sauteed, and then I'll stick them in the oven to keep warm after that. Next up we've got the burger, so get that cooking, and then I can get the bacon, eggs, tomatoes and baked beans going at the same time. That is fried egg. I'm not quite the Nick Reyes level of professional where I can do it all in one hand for cracking an egg, but I feel like that's a competent enough thing. I didn't crack the yolk, so it's all good. Okay, so it's finally time to craft this masterpiece. So we start off with half a glazed donut, and then we add the burger, just to make it all American so far. Oh, but what's this? The British are coming, the British are coming! Or we add some of the sausage. And next up, we have a good helping of bacon added on top. And next up, we will do fried egg. And then, just to make it look extra good, we'll get, it's going down the wrong side, but yeah, let's crack that yolk everywhere. Fried tomato. Ooh, stay. The baked beans.
Oh, that beautiful bean footage.
Oh yeah. Because what would a full English breakfast donut burger be without the baked beans? And then finally, we top it off with the other half of the glazed donut. How does that look, people? Absolutely fantastic. That's how it looks. And just to give you an idea of quite how tall that is, here is a can of soda. So it's just shorter than a can of soda. So I guess maybe I should have added another sausage in there. However, as it is, it's probably going to be pretty difficult to fit in my mouth. So it's time to eat it. Okay, so it's the moment of truth to try the full English breakfast donut burger. This is a little bit taller than I thought it might be, so I'm not entirely sure I'm going to fit it all in my mouth in one bite.
That's what she said.
Nicely done, wifey, I am proud of you. So, here goes. I will say, it does actually taste really good. You might want to lessen quite how tall it is, unless you have an absolutely gigantic mouth, because this thing does absolutely fall apart. Ow, crap. Okay, so it's time to have some actual donut burger, like in a proper mouthful. So, got some donut, we've got burger, we got egg, we need some tomato, sorry, I'm English, it's tomato. Some sausage, and we'll add some bacon in there. Okay. Even with a knife and fork, this still isn't the easiest thing to do, but it is actually worth it if you can get it in your mouth.
That's what she said.
Yes. Here we go. Okay, we're finally sorted. That knife and fork weren't quite cutting it, so I'm sorted. If I can actually cut this up with these utensils. Actually, that's actually working pretty good. So, let's see. Donut, burger, egg, sausage, bacon, tomato, and baked beans. I think that's pretty much it. So, this is a donut burger, people. Oh yeah.